Hello, my name is Mirsini. I live here 36 years. The style is inside is modern but cozy. Because it's quiet, the view. I think if you're on holidays, you want that thing. We are proud because we had a lot of difficulties to finish it. We had to be on time. That was a very big challenge. And we did it. Generally in Lesbos, there is very nice villages, traditional villages. The island is big. We have a lot of beaches, very nice beaches. Food is very nice. So I invite people from Holland to visit the early birds villas and feel the Greek hospitality.